आज हम ट्राइपॉड लाना भूल गए तो आज मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हम लोग उतने से शॉट्स नहीं कर पाएंगे। आज हम लोग पुश डे करेंगे हाइपरट्रॉफी के लिए, नॉट द ये। सो इट विल इंक्लूड थिंग्स लाइक डंबल चेस्ट प्रेस, इंक्लाइन बेंच प्रेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ऑल डंबल्स एंड फ्लाइज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. So we'll get started now. Dehydration check. Hydration check. I love it when the gym is empty. हम लोग पहले स्ट्रेच करेंगे, फोकस्ड ऑन चेस्ट एंड शोल्डर्स एंड आर्म्स. उसके बाद विल गो डाउन स्टेयर्स और हम लोग बेंचेस करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Stretching done. I am actually still sore from yesterday's workout, but we'll still try to keep going for it क्योंकि ये 6 day का split है तो obviously it will be more demanding. So I should at least stick to it for 3 weeks before I go around making changes to it. Weight selection for this was perfect. We were able to do 10 reps of 22.5 kgs. I will try to get it to 12 before we increase it to 24 reps. The last one I tried a little bit too much. My grip was falling off. Now we'll do incline dumbbell presses. My grip is failing before my strength is. I'll have to look for something with which I can hold more weight for longer. इंक्लाइन डंबल प्रेस हो चुका है. हम लोग 4 सेट और शोल्डर प्रेस का करेंगे. अगेन माय रिस्ट्स आर लाइक द एंड, बट आई गॉट कंप्लीटेड. Again, the weight selection for dumbbell shoulder press was totally perfect. Now I don't know exactly that whether I am mentally doing 10 reps of every weight that I pick up on the first try or not, or actually I know myself enough that I am choosing the right weight. But anyways, in dumbbell shoulder press, I want to increase the weight to 15, whether it's at the 4th rep or the 2nd rep. We finally increased the weight. The last reps were a bit dodgy. The mature thing would be to continue with the weight till the last reps are not dodgy. But I need a win for one day. So today we are going to take this win and we are going to increase the weight for the last 2 reps. Not bad for ego lifting. Somehow we survived all the dumbbell exercises without killing myself. So I'm happy with that. And we were also able to increase the weight on dumbbell shoulder press. Now we are going to be using the cable machines for the rest of the 3 exercises. So let's go on to the next exercise, cable lateral raises. मेरा सोशल बैटरी पूरा डाउन हो गया है बिकॉज आई एम रियली एग्जॉस्टेड. अभी भी 2 एक्सरसाइज बाकी है, 1 फॉर द ट्राइसेप्स and 1 more for chest actually. So we'll do that, and hopefully, since I came earlier today, we have enough time to do a little posing before we finish that. I tried to start with 18s and I couldn't even get the weights to come to my hands, so we'll go downer. We'll go lower, not downer. 15. 11 से हम 15 कर पा रहे हैं. Now comes one of the hardest decisions of a person's life, whether to increase the weights or not to increase the weights. जब मैं 18 से try कर रहा हूँ, it's too much. So we'll try with 18, and then if we can't, then we'll go down to 11 and then try to increase up to 20 and then try to go to 20. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा फॉर्म्स ऑल्टर कर रहा हूँ टू सी एग्जैक्टली कौन सा ये ज़्यादा अच्छे से हिट करेगा और कहाँ पे ज़्यादा अच्छे से हिट कर रहा है. आई एम स्टिल नॉट कन्फर्म्ड अबाउट द फॉर्म प्रॉपरली, बट हम लोग 18 से भी 15 reps कर पा रहे हैं. सो आई एम सपोज टू इंक्रीज इट. सो लेट्स सी. I'm having trouble getting the weights to come here before I can even start the workout. So let's try to make it easier. So this is too hard to control for me, and I'm not able to actually really use the weights properly. So from next day I'll most probably be using pec deck fly for it, or we'll go do dumbbell flies, whichever works out the best, I guess. Last exercise of the day, tricep rope push down. What I like to do is I like to do it unilaterally, because that way I'm able to do it better, and my range of motion is much better than what I'm able to do when I try to do it together. Let's start with 18 kgs for it. Hopefully we should be able to do around 11 or 12. Then we can continue doing this weight, or else we are going to have to decrease the weight. Nope, there's no way we can do it with 18, so we'll bump it down to 11 and then we'll try again. Okay, I was being a little bit too ambitious with the weight, so we are doing 12 reps of 11 kg. Hopefully we will be able to increase it in a week, I believe. Yes, I know I am saying a week, not one day. My tricep muscles and my bicep muscles get fatigued a lot quicker than the rest of my muscles, so we need to take more rest as we progress down, doing more sets. Last set of the exercise. आज फाइनली हम लोग पूरा वर्कआउट कंप्लीट कर पाए विदाउट हैविंग टू हरी और एनीथिंग, एंड वी माइट हैव अ लिटिल बिट टाइम टू डू सम पोजिंग टू. माय चेस्ट इज रियली पम्प्ड, सो लेट्स सी. I'm not even flexing right now, and we look like Superman. The camera definitely does not do it justice. We did do really good today. Triceps are almost non-existent, but the shoulders on the other hand. We are getting back in our 2019 form, which was the prime of my life, I would say. At that time I was competing for a tournament, karate tournament, internationals. At that time I was at the best shape of my life, and thanks to this routine I am feeling like I am getting there much quicker. And also, since I am a lot older and my testosterone levels will be different and my growth hormones will be different, I am most likely to get to the prime of my entire life in about 6 months, I would say, and I'm really excited for it. This is it for today. I'll see you next day.